Hi everyone, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Surprisingly enough, it will be about backbends. So today we're going to be doing drop backs, starting at the wall and then going away from the wall. Before we start, make sure you're warmed up in your back, that you got your regular warm up, that you got your backbends ready. I would recommend starting with bow with Dhanurasana and then Urdhva Dhanurasana regular wheel. Ustrasana, like everything that works about the lower back, so when we go into drop backs we won't be too stressed with the process. Okay, so the best way to start is just start. So starting our drop back practice, I would actually start from the floor because it's the safest and we can get the hang of going up and down. And so we'll start by moving the hair away to the side, placing the hands like we would in Urdhva Dhanurasana in wheel pose. Legs strong, stomach in, inhale, come up to the head, exhale, inhale, come all the way up, and stretch toward the wall. Now, slowly start walking the hands back so that they're closest to the wall. Take the legs back a little bit too. And stretch toward the wall. Inhale, exhale. Now slowly go a little bit back and place the right hand on the wall. Grip the wall with the hand like you do in handstand. And inhale, exhale, take the left hand up too. Slowly stretch and start walking the hands up. Stretch, stay here. And start walking the hands down slowly until you're all the way to the floor. And take the head down, take the bum down, relax for a second. So now, before practicing leaving the wall, my suggestion is just to do that, the exercise I did before a few times, repeat, and when you're safe and feel comfortable with going up and down, then try this. So, going up to regular wheel again. Removing the hair. Inhale on the head, exhale. Inhale, come all the way up. And now, take the hands close to the wall. And to leave the wall completely once we're up, we'll need the feet as close to the hands as possible. It doesn't have to be super close, but you do need them so you won't just fall forward. So take the feet as close as you can, keep them parallel as much as you can. And now slowly climb up. And once you're up, legs strong, back strong. Inhale, come to standing. Exhale. If it's okay here, then stay here. If you want to go back down, so inhale, hands, arms back. Grab the wall. Slowly from here. If it's too tight, you can take the feet forward. And slowly go all the way back down. Stretch on the side. And come all the way to the floor. So this is a really good exercise to do to get your wheel tighter and then get the hang of going up and going down. So we're going to do this one more time. So inhale, coming up. Exhale, inhale, stretch, walk toward the wall, like we did before, feet close, hands close, stretch, feel a bit closer if possible, and now move up on the wall, inhale, legs strong, coming up, and now if you want to get a little more confident away from the wall, so we'll take a few steps forward, hands on the sacrum, inhale, look up, exhale, right hand back, try to grab the wall, left hand, and from here slowly walk all the way down. You can come down or feet closer, hands walking the wall, inhale, coming all the way up. So the farther you walk from the wall, the more difficult it gets, but then gets you the hang of being away from the wall completely. So try it away from the wall, but this time without the shoulder rotation. So inhale, looking up, shoulders down, and exhale, start walking the hands on the legs. So if this is comfortable for you and too much, just stay here, head back, and practice this for as long as possible. But if this one is comfortable, then you can walk even lower, even lower, even lower. Once you're really close to the floor, then rotate the shoulders and hands down. Inhale, exhale. So from here, once again, you can come to the floor. But if you want to try coming up, then feet and hands close. 1, 2, and bend the knees in, lift up, exhale, hands to the side. So, these were my tips and advice for practicing drop backs with a wall and without a wall. As you can see, there are a few ways to go at it. You can do the first exercise a few times until you're comfortable, then stepping away, then going back. For me, when I first started without a wall, I had like a ton of pillows and blankets all over the mat just because I was too scared to fall and lose balance. And so this is really a good tip for beginners, both to lose fear and also to be safe in your practice. So I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if there's anything you want to know about drawbacks, and